What's up, guys? You're welcome back to another episode of Gist in Nigeria. If you ask me for help in 2020, you will die. Bbnaija's Khloe. Former Big Brother Naija housemate Khloe has dropped a strong message to men that are interested in asking her out. The reality star also sent a message to those who consider her as a friend and those thinking of asking her for help in 2020. She warned men that cannot afford to treat themselves to a luxury lifestyle to steer clear away from her. According to her, she only wants men that can take her out of the country, give her houses, cars, and money, and not those that come up with excuses every time. The model also dished out a warning to those thinking of asking her for help in 2020, recalling how she once asked for help in 2019 with no one coming through for her. Khloe said she will be embarrassing anyone that asks her for help. She also placed a curse on those that will be asking her for help, saying, "Your life will spoil, you will die." Guys, let me know what you think about Khloe's decision in the comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Naija News and Entertainment, for more gist and entertainment news around Nigeria. Thank you.